Hi everybody. So, getting the critical value on an ANOVA in aleks. If the values are low, our tables work, but I have since had some discussion with some students and found out that there's a problem with the calculator, or the tables with the calculators. So, let me do this. Clear this off. If you're trying to find the p-value, you're using these. And if you're trying to find the critical value, you can use these. Now the z-score and the t-score, the ones that I'm highlighting here and here, you can find on your calculator using INV norm and INVT. This is your chi-squared critical value, and this is your F critical value. So let me just click on these real quick. So the first thing you'll type in is your alpha. So you do like 0.05, and if your degrees of freedom are 5, you type them there and then you hit enter. Okay, now for the F distribution, you're going to type in 0.01, for instance, and degrees of freedom for the numerator would be 5, degrees of freedom for the denominator on the one that I'm looking at would be 39 there, but I'm going to say 72. So I'll hit enter and I'll get 3.28. So let me do the one here, and I will delete that, and I'll type here. So our degrees of freedom are 0.1. I'm sorry, our alpha is 0.1. Our degrees of freedom of the numerator is the 2 there, and then degrees of freedom of the denominator is the 39 there. And then you go ahead and hit return, and you got 2.44444. Now hold on 1 second. So if we grab the table, you'll notice that there's a gap in the table at that point in time. On the test, I tend not to do large values. You're going to have 15, 16 kind of thing for your degrees of freedom. Hopefully that helps.